Whoa, what's that? Oh my gosh. Snow? No way. October 5th, 2011. Donner Summit, Soda Springs, Serene Lakes. I'm bored as hell. I'm going to start doing my little web clips again. And it's freaking snowing. It's snowing here in the Sierras. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, Griff. What up, Griff? Got the holy moly right here. So I haven't been doing many web posts. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on a second. It's 4:20. Oh, no, where's my lighter? Got it. 4:20. Legally medicating now. It's a snow day. We got about a foot last night, almost a foot last night. It's been snowing on and off all day. Sierra Tahoes. I'm broke. Broke myself at Burning Man. And it sucks. I could be shredding today, but instead I'm sitting around house sitting and hanging out with this pretty cool dog. But other than that, not much. Just relaxing, shoveling, smoking, just doing everything I can to occupy my time because being injured sucks, especially when it's snowing in October. It's coming down even harder now. I'm gonna continue making some more videos and hope to see you guys soon up on the mountains. Peace. Tahoe. Tahoe life. Yo.